In this video, we will explore SQLite, a lightweight disk-based database that doesn't require a separate server process. SQLite allows you to access the database using a non-standard variant of the SQL query language. It is commonly used for internal data storage in applications and can also be used for prototyping before migrating to larger databases like PostgreSQL or Oracle. Creating a simple database to store users. Step 1. Connecting to the database. To connect to the SQLite database, you need to create a connection object. This object represents the connection to the on-disk database. You can use the following code to establish a connection. The connect function from the SQLite3 module is used to establish the connection. The database.db parameter specifies the name of the database file. The returned connection object, con, represents the connection to the database. Step 2. Creating the first table in the database. After establishing the connection, you can create tables in the database. Here's an example of creating a table to store user information. The cursor method is called on the connection object to create a cursor. The cursor is used to execute SQL statements and fetch results from queries. In this example, we execute a create table statement to create a table named users with columns for ID, name, and email. Finally, we commit the changes to the database using the commit method. Conclusion. In this video, we explored SQLite, a lightweight disk-based database that doesn't require a separate server process. We learned how to connect to a database and create a table to store user information. Thank you for watching the video.